stopped you without cause to stop you,
What?
was trying to, as she's trying to explain things to you, and that somehow or another that did what to you?
No, what I'm saying is that she was explaining her thoughts on. She was telling me what she was gonna do, right? As far as the case, and I was stopping her to make sure I understood what she said. Is what I was doing. She didn't appreciate me stopping her.
Or what she was telling you is, let me get through what I'm going to tell you, and then I can answer your question.
But I have a hard. I'm trying to follow her as she go along, sir. That's all.
That's what?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Fletcher. Mr. Fletcher, could you please state your name for the court when you get up here?
Kobe Fletcher.
Judge, hoping for an adjournment to review discovery.
That objection, probable cause conference, March 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Let's call the case. People versus Edna Grima. Grima.
Good morning, Honor. Charlotte Steffen on behalf of Ms. Gurma. Your Honor, unfortunately, there's been a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship, and I have to ask to withdraw from representation.
Your name?
And the girl, may
What?
I be allowed to speak, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
Okay, Your Honor. I couldn't have. Okay. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. I couldn't have regular attorney from public defender because it was conflict of interest or whatever. So
Right.
I have from the county, right? Okay. Your Honor, my question is, if I request, if I ask the no probable cause to be handled right here, right?
If you ask for what?
If I ask her,
Okay.
okay, let's just put it like this. She and I were talking, and I was stopping her to ask her questions,
Okay.
make sure I'm following her,
Okay.
and she didn't like that.
She didn't like what? That you asked a question?
Yes, sir. She said, if you stop me one more time while I'm talking, then I'm going to get up and leave. Your Honor, I'm 61 years old, okay? I have to ask the question.
So you're going to tell me that Miss Steffen stopped you without cause to stop you,
What?
was trying to, as she's trying to explain things to you, and that somehow or another that did what to you?
No, what I'm saying is that she was explaining her thoughts on. She was telling me what she was going to do, right? As far as the case. And I was stopping her to make sure I understood what she said. Is what I was doing. She didn't appreciate me stopping her.
Or what she was telling you is, let me get through what I'm going to tell you, and then I can answer your question.
But I have a hard. I'm trying to follow her as she go along, sir. That's all.
That's what?
I was just trying to follow her. I'm trying to follow her as she goes along, because by the time she gets to the end of what she's saying, I may not remember my question. So if you say, after probable cause, if I ask after probable cause, then what's the next thing? See, first of all, I just want to say, I beg, I pray to God in Jesus' name, and I'm praying right now
Ma'am, what do you want me to do?
I'm asking you to please forgive me, find grace and forgiveness for me breaking my bond thing, as well as I have a nonprofit youth organization. My nephew was killed in 2021.
Ma'am, right now,
Yeah.
your attorney has said there's been a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship.
I don't understand.
You don't understand that? So you don't, well, you got up there trying to be critical.
I kind of do.
You kind of do what?
Understand it, because she and
Do
I.
you want Miss Stephan to represent you or not?
Do I want her to represent me? She don't want to.
I don't think Miss Stephan has ever turned anybody away. You need to listen to her, though.
What did she say?
So what did she say? To me?
Yeah.
She just said there's been a breakdown in the relationship, but I'm trying to understand that.
So now what? I'm just confused. I don't understand.
Maybe that's why when your attorney comes to talk to you and she stops you, she's trying to make sure to explain everything to you.
Okay.
Which means you have to listen.
Okay.
So what do you want me to do?
Forgive me for breaking my. Do I want her to be my attorney? Is what you?
Well, that's where we need to start.
Okay. Do you want to be my attorney? Do you think we can work it out?
Your Honor, with all due respect to the court and Ms. Girma, I do feel bad about this, but I don't think that it's at this point fair to Ms. Girma to have me continue to represent her, because it got, in my opinion, it got to such a point that I'm here now asking to withdraw. And Your Honor, I probably have. It's very rare, if ever. So Ms. Girma deserves an attorney that she can effectively communicate with. I'm certainly willing to try, but I just don't think that's in her best interest at this time, Your Honor.
Yes.
So would you please forgive me for breaking the bond thing, and please.
Ma'am, I'm not even dealing with the bond. I'm trying to make sure you have an attorney that you're going to listen to and can communicate with. But if Ms. Stephan is coming before this court, I don't think she's ever withdrawn a case before me, and asking or believing that she cannot properly represent you, I'm going to take her at her word.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is we'll need to have, I won't require a written motion, which I normally do to withdraw. I'll take the oral motion to withdraw. It's granted. Ma'am, what I'm going to do is, since I doubt the MAC office knew about it, I'm going to adjourn it out 1 week so that they can have time to appoint counsel to present you. So the probable cause conference will be adjourned to February 19th, 2026, 9 a.m. At this point, your bond was revoked. Your bond will continue as revoked until we can get through everything. So our bond will continue revoked. Thank you.